they were under 400.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I forgot
But there's no
about this.
Cabela's
They're
and
like-
on.
Oh!
Crooked too.
Okay.
Oh! Oh! Didn't get it on my shoulder either. Oh!
Nice break on that first bird. Try it with my left arm, my bad arm.
Oh!
Can't leave here until you break both.
I broke them both of the first shot. That's what sucks.
Can't leave without doing that.
Oh! There.
There you go.
Armor's ready. Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Pull. Well, you touched the first one. Last time I shot this, I don't think I missed one of them. I was like relentless here. It's all on how you feel. Pull.
There you go.
One more time. Pull. Ah,
You
I
can't
got all
quit like
twisted up
that.
there. All twisted up. I got one more. I got a pair of shells. I'll go for it. Pull.
Nice.
There you go. Now you can
There you go.
I'm coming out of that one like that.
Strap ready?
ready as I'm gonna get.
Oh.
Hey Mike, stew pot's empty.
Oh. Oh.
That's it. Smoke.
All right.
Hit it again.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh!
Oh. Hold your gun down.
They pull.
Supper has
Pull. Oh, I got a chip out of it, I think. It kind of slowed up. Yeah, I see what you're saying, yeah. Pull.
There you go.
One more time.
ready.
Pull.
Smoke 'em.
You're done deal. The barrel up right up in where it's coming in. That's the deal.
Ready. Pull.
Nice. Kenny. Nice.
Oh, he's shooting them two at a time, the bastard.
Pull!
Got them both, I should quit.
Yeah, that's when I should have quit.
Pull! Pull!
One more.
Pull!
Yep.
Ready? Pull! It's interesting on how they pick up speed and then they drop these targets. It's really... Pull!
Nice.
Hang on. Wait, here, Steve. Give us a little wave, buddy. That's our chopper, ladies and gentlemen.
Pull.
Mikey!
Stay on him, Mike.
We're getting away on you.
Next pair are dead.
Pull.
Look at the bird.
Stuffed them the first time.
Take two more. Pull.
Nice shooting, Mike.
That's a good time to stop.
There you go. Yeah, that's a good time.
Quit while you're ahead.
And ladies and gentlemen, we got two birds that did not want to leave that tree.
Whoa!
Ooh, I think you touched that
I
second
touched
bird.
it, but I didn't bust
It didn't break though.
it. Break it this time. I'm tired of it.
I call that dirty dog.
Ready?
Yep.
Pull! Over top of it that time.
Take your time, Steve. Take your time, buddy.
Last one's for me, and Tim's going to shoot some.
You're all over these targets.
Pull!
Lack of con. Pull. Yeah, that's better. Ready? Pull.
They drop quick, eh? That second one.
First. Oh, that second bird is really hard to get, eh? It shouldn't be, but it is.
Pull! Didn't take that one soon enough. Pull! Tried the old skin shot there and it didn't work. Tried your idea. Pull!
Oh, just missed it, eh?
Yeah, smoked the first one. Oh! One more pair.
Oh! Oh! Alright, now I gotta put them together. I don't know why I wasn't ready. I wasn't really ready there on that first bird. Oh! There we go. Now we're talking.
I got that smoked.
Did you?
Yeah.
One shell, please. Even out of my bag. Take me back out of my bag.
Okay.
Oh! I'll get you.
All right, you're good to go.
Okay, bud.
New shooter.
Where were you standing over here?
Yeah. Oh.
Nicely done.
Whoa. Whoa.
Good breaks, Mike.
I do 2 more.
One more pair! You've done a ton of skeet shooting, eh?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh. Oh, I just missed it. That's straight.
Okay, that's it! New shooter coming up.
Whoa! Jesus! Missed that one too. Oh, I'm fucking hating that.
You're gonna back him up. He's wasting fucking targets.
Whoa! How did I miss you? I missed you too.
It was gonna
Ah, I'm getting worse.
Come on, Stevie.
Getting worse at this.
You want to try the 20?
No, I want to hit that.
I'm backing you up and putting the pressure on you.
Whoa!
There.
Ah!
Oh! Oh!
Nice. Got them both, eh?
Oh! I think I got one of them, didn't I?
Yeah, you got the first one.
Not very well, but I got him. Oh!
Oh yeah. The double whammy.
Double whammy. Whammy slammy. Oh!
Got a free one there.
Oh! One more pair here and I'm going to move on. Oh!